So in this video we will discuss how to reset the widget from the Banners application. So this is us and our friends can set the appearance of the Binance application, how we want it to look, and everyone can have different presets or displays of the Binance application. So you just go to the dashboard. First of all, make sure to update your application in the App Store, or maybe if you are an Android user you can update it directly in the Google Play Store or from the official website of the B itself. Okay, after that you will see the new appearance of Binance. The UI UX is quite different from yesterday. It looks neater than yesterday in one thing that I think we need to discuss, and this is quite interesting because if we click and hold, we can edit friends. There is a plus button and also a check. So we click plus first so we can add widgets as we like. So we can add like coin, spotlight coin, or trending coins, then a iTrending. Here there is a StartNet iTrending display, and here you can choose another display like this. Then you have a hot category from some types of coins that are hot, yes, which are trending, then the ETF NetFlow, then spot copy and futures copy. So this is for those of you who want to know copy trading. Then here there is market fear and greed. Yes, here there is also earning. Well, he is there for you. You can use this. For example, we want to add what you fear and grid. You just click and you want to choose what kind of display. Simple like this, or do you want one with information like this? Yesterday neutral, last week fear, last month greedy. We click confirm. Well, we can slide to edit the display that we want to use. For example, we want to put it here. We check it. Well, like this. The appearance of our bands and our friends will be different. Well, here we click hold again. Yes, here there is a home page, there is an edit list, and also remove this. Like we checked it again. Click edit list again. Here you can close the alpha or the new category Ganners. Losers, we confirm. Well, here, there was alpha. Here, this is in the favorite. Host 24 volume market cap. Well, now this is no longer there, so we can edit the list to friends, like this. For the order, we can also move it. You just click confirm. Now if you want to monitor it on your home, just close the Binance application, then you hold it, click hold it, edit, add widget, you just search Binance. Now you click. Here there is a list of crypto. In any form, there are your favorites. Then the ad price on Pi to Pi like that, so you can monitor some coins directly from your home screen, so you don't have to open the Binance application. For example, here I give an example. Add a widget. Now like this. Now you can monitor some coins directly without having to open the application. Now this can help you to track crypto prices or Pi to Pi prices or whatever in real time. Friends, okay, maybe that's all for this video, so don't forget to join our next crypto lecture. See you and bye.